Today we're cooking kimchi cheese udon. You'll need the following ingredients for 2 servings. 2 servings of udon noodles, 3 pieces of cooked bacon, approximately 1 cup of fermented kimchi, 1 green onion, half an onion, cooking oil, and Tex-mex cheese. For the sauce, you'll need 1 tablespoon of Korean red chili pepper flakes, half a tablespoon of Korean chili paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. See the exact amounts down below. Boil some water to cook the udon. While you're waiting for the water to boil, you can prepare the rest of the ingredients. Make the sauce by combining the red chili pepper flakes, chili paste, soy sauce, honey, sugar, minced garlic, and sesame oil. Set it aside. Chop the green onion. Chop the onion. Chop the bacon. Chop the kimchi. Once your water is boiling, throw the noodles in. Strain the noodles after they're cooked. Add some cooking oil and cook the onion and kimchi for a couple minutes. Add the sauce and bacon to the pan and mix well. Add the udon noodles and green onions to the pan and mix well. Place the udon mixture into 2 6-inch cast iron skillets, sprinkle a generous amount of cheese on top, and bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 minutes. And this is how you make a delicious kimchi cheese udon.